Hi guys, it's Melissa with Melissa Peterson Design, just showing off my cute little gnome. A couple months ago I discovered Home Sweet Gnomes on Instagram, and she sells the So Kind and the No So Kind gnome kits. This is one of her Easter ones, and I think they just come like in a surprise package, so if you order one you'll get whatever they pick for you, and this is the one I got. This was so adorable. This took me no time at all yesterday to put together, but I made a mistake when I was gluing the ears, and I accidentally got some hot glue, and I didn't wait for it to cure. I panicked and I actually smeared it. So I ended up adding some flowers to my gnome to kind of cover it up, and I love how it turned out. So that is my Easter gnome. I mean, you can embellish these however you want. They came with the felt for you to make your ears. So, and got a little tail. Isn't that cute? But what I really was wanting was the bumblebee gnome, and these kept selling out. And I finally got my hands on one a couple weeks ago, a week and a half ago. They came back up and I was able to get one. So I'm going to go ahead and put this together. When you order these, I'm not an affiliate, so I'm not getting anything for this, but when you order these, you'll get an email that will give you the instructions, so that way you can click on the link, and you just kind of follow the instructions. It might not look like, when you get the instructions, it might not look like this, but it'll be this kit, or this type of kit. So it calls for, I think was 1/3 cup rice. I have 2 cups. I brought some extra just in case, because once you get this in, you kind of pack it down. So, hope you guys are having a great Friday. The March gifting challenge is still going on. We are 1 away from closing that, so I can do my gifting. And what I'm going to be gifting is this plaque that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to gift a burlap canvas, so if you want to put them together like I did, you can. Otherwise, you can do your own little craft there. And I'm going to sneak in a few other things. I just don't know what yet. So I'm 1 person away from closing out this March gifting challenge. So you'll have to follow the instructions, and then make sure you come back here and mark done, so I know that you're done, and I'll get you in the drawing. And I see Reese is at the other end of the table looking to get up on my table. So if I get up quickly, you'll know why. She's being a little stinker. So just kind of pat that down. And I'm just adding rice. Okay, and it comes with one of those bands to put on there. Plus it came with like a little bumblebee for a decoration, plus the little nose. So it includes everything in the kit that you need except for the rice and the Polyfill. So cute. And then also, while I was looking around, they have accessories that you can buy. Get that last one on there and I'll show you. And I didn't know this was going to be in here, so I went ahead and got this. So I actually have 2. I went ahead and got a couple of these little honey sticks. These are cute. So we'll see how that goes. Not sure where I'll put that. And I got a little tiny coffee mug. Not sure how I'm going to do that, but I'll figure something out. Whether it'll be with this kit or some other kit. But isn't that cute? So let me see. Oh, and there's the beard. So you'll have that sew line. I'll try and do my best to keep that in the back. And I tried doing my best there. I didn't get them quite matched up, but it's still on the back side, so I'm okay. So I'm going to do a dry run. Find my back side of my hat and try and keep on the back side of my thing. Okay. I'm going to start stuffing with Polyfill. And I got my Polyfill, I think, at Walmart. I just got a bag of it, and it's not too expensive, like $3, $4. And if you want your gnome to be upright and not have a quirky thing, you don't have to put your stick in that it comes with, or the wire. That's up to you. I thought these were so adorable. And they're just the right size. I'll probably have this like on my tray for my coffee bar. My coffee bar is getting well stocked, so I'll have to find something else to decorate here pretty soon. Hope you guys are making this a great week, a good week. I'm usually a homebody anyway, but this kind of is bothering me too, though. Okay. If you put too much in, you can always take it out. And there's the back side. There's the back side. So far, so good. I'm gonna get my white beard out. I got my hot glue already heating up. So anybody like the bumblebees? I think these are so adorable. I'm gonna figure out where I need to put this. Okay, I'm gonna put some hot glue on the back side and try and be careful not to get any on the hair in the front. Just like that. And put some glue on my bead. Yes, I just snorted. Sorry. So far, so good. And I got my backside lined up pretty much. Kinda. Okay, my hat's not glued on yet. I'm trying to decide if I want to put one of these on there. I'm just not sure how. Let me see. Nah, I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just glue down the hat a little bit. Just tack it down with some glue. Okay, we'll put the stick in there. Hey, Tammy. Oh, thank you, dear. I make a lot of mistakes. Sometimes it should be what not to do. Okay, now I know I can get that in there because I did the other one. So this came from Home Sweet Gnome. She has a website. She's also on Instagram under the same name. There we go. Just kind of stretch it up, and then you'll need to curl the top so the wire doesn't keep bending through the fabric. This one's a little bit harder. I don't think I have it down far enough. It just takes a little playing. And I just kind of curled it. Whoops, that didn't work. Let's try it again. Yeah, this one I didn't have any trouble with. And this one I am. I'm going to get it. There we go. Then you can kind of shape it. However you want. I got a little bee here. Okay, I got to figure out where I want this. A little bit of glue on the back side. I'm going to put it off to the side, just like that. Yes, I need my glasses. I've got my contacts in right now. They put off a weird green shade that I don't like. So there is my Bumblebee Gnome. So I do have one of these. I might figure out a way to put that on there. I'm not sure. I do think she has some like with the hands or the feet. I just don't know which kit she offers, but I love this. So this will be sitting on my coffee bar in one of my trays. So there we go. Oh, and I was going to show you what I was working on this week. I was just playing around. I'm waiting for supplies. I'm working on a growth chart, and I was just playing around, and I had these wood Easter eggs, and I'm just playing with the flowers. And I'm thinking about adding some Easter sayings on there, like He is risen. I'm not sure what else. So that's kind of what I was playing around with this week, and plus working on my dresser. So we got one more person we need to join, minimum, for the gifting challenge, so that way I can close out March's gifting challenge. This is what you're getting, this and this, plus a few other items maybe to add in the package. So one more person to join. Just follow the directions that are in the listing here. Like my business page, join my public group, Melissa Peterson Designs Community Group, and share a post in the group. It can be anything that you've crafted, any projects, any home decor that you like that from other people. Just make sure you give them credit. You like your fur babies, share your fur baby antics. Your kids are home. If you got kiddos home and they're doing some crafting or drawings, share that. You know, just anything uplifting. So that's all it is. You guys have a great weekend. Make it a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday. I don't know what I'll be doing, but I'll figure something out. Bye-bye, guys.